Welcome to Sogo Yarns, where simple fibers are transformed into magical threads. Since 2006, we have been pioneers in the yarn manufacturing industry, blending creativity, advanced technology, and genuine care to produce exceptional yarns that inspire industries worldwide. Our journey began with a dream to craft the finest yarns that shape the future of fashion and textiles. Today, that dream is a reality, as Sogo Yarns plays a significant role in the global textile industry, setting new benchmarks with innovation, quality, and sustainability.
At Sogo Yarns, we turn vision into reality with every strand we produce. Our seamless process of raw material sourcing, dyeing, winding, covering with the most advanced fully automatic machines ensure timely deliveries and excellent quality. At Sogo, we believe in innovation, quality, and creating solutions that truly stand out. When we love what we do, every outcome becomes a masterpiece.
With a robust infrastructure and a dedicated workforce, we ensure timely delivery of top-quality products. Whether for small or large orders, we cater to every requirement with precision and expertise. Our greatest asset is our people, a dynamic, highly skilled team ensuring perfection at every stage, from raw materials to final packaging. Our diverse product portfolio includes texturizing, dyeing of nylon, polyester, cotton, etc., and covering serves in wide range of applications. Our yarns are used for making weaving and knitted garments, socks, stockings, gloves, swimwear, narrow fabric, underwear, crepe bandages, circular and flat knitting, waistband, etc. At Sogo Yarns, our commitment goes beyond just making great yarn. We care deeply about our planet. We embrace sustainable practices, including green energy, water recycling, and eco-friendly processes. Sogo Yarns is trusted by businesses of all sizes. We are proud to be a part of their success stories, helping bring their creative visions to life. At Sogo Yarns, we're not just producing threads, we're weaving dreams, connecting people, and caring for the earth. Every thread has the power to make a big difference.